Yabuki Joe. So never watched this. This actually came through a super thanks. So I always forget that super thanks exists. I always say like Patreon, is the best way to send me a request. I'll definitely see it. But a super thanks is a good way of doing it as well. So you just like $5 and it pops up on my thing. So I definitely see it. Of course, you can request away. Try and spam me with requests until I eventually see it. I'm on a landscape page. Use a pencil eraser. Hit pause if I go too fast. I wonder if this show is any good. Must be if someone's requesting it. So we're in 3/4 pose. He's got like big, massive hair. Okay. So I'm going to start with his. Well, I'm going to start with his eye on this side. So center point of my page is about here. Come up over to the left. And he's got like a big old anime eye. So, well, wait, center hair is like real long, so maybe we'll readjust. So center point of my page is about here. We'll come up and we'll put that eye here because I want this hair to go all this way. And his eyes are classic sort of anime eyes, different to what we're used to, which is interesting. So we've got like, it's always good to draw different things. This comes out like across this way, right? And it kind of gets thicker. And they just seem to like add 2 spikes, right? We kind of do this kind of thing. Which is weird. Never done that before. Right, and then an eyelid line going down that way. And then a little eye going in there. And then this comes across. So his eye is just black, right? But it's a black circle with highlights in it. 2 ways of doing highlights when you're coloring. You can color the whole thing black and then use white paint, or you can just draw them and color around. So you can do this or the white paint option. So it's kind of up to you. Both work equally well, right? And then you just color in around. Okay, so he's got like a bit of an eyelid line on top here. And he's got a big eyebrow, but it comes out from underneath his hair, obviously. So we'll just jump over and do the nose. So they draw in his nose kind of like this. And then it kind of curves down and in. And then they do just like a nostril, sort of go here. There might be like a little sort of line for his other side of his nose, kind of like that. So his mouth then, pretty just flat, kind of going back that way. Kind of ends underneath the inside of his eye. Kind of there. And then he just got a shadow underneath his bottom lip. He's got a band-aid or plaster, I think he's a boxer, over his nose there. And they do like little sort of hatching lines like this kind of stuff on his face. So his other eye is like in here, but it's underneath his hair. So I guess we'll draw the big hairline, right? So go. They add these little spikes as we go. And like he has crazy long hair. So Up there, right? Now, there's more, but I'll just finish the face first. So his other eyelid line, just in under here. And then the bottom eyelid, just around underneath. And then a dark pupil again, with the highlights. So like a little triangle on the edge. And then a circle over. And just color black. Like that, okay? So then, down here we got his chin. And his jaw just curves up the side. Like that, bit of a gap in it there. And then we go around the other side. Underneath the hair there. And we can see like a little bit of his ear just sticking out here. And then his other ear, just above the jaw. And you can add some ear lines inside. Easiest way to start is like this letter J shape. And then if you want, you can add like extras. Then he has a long black sideburn just here, kind of like a square. And then some hairlines underneath. So then his hair comes up underneath his hat on this side, just two little sort of spikes there. Right, so back to the hair over here. So you could do this like your own sort of way if you wanted, of course. But it's generally really long. And it seems to disappear back in underneath his hat somewhere there. So he has this like little cap on. So like the rim of it. Down there. It has another sort of edge line on it going this way. Just follow this sort of shape there. His hair disappears underneath. So the hat is kind of cut off on top. So I'm going to have to sort of make it up a bit to fill in what's missing. That's okay. So it's kind of flat, it looks like. So say there's like an edge, like a top, just going down this way. It comes close to his ear. And it's kind of like, it looks like it's all tattered and ripped and stuff at the back here. And then it goes around. It goes all the way out to the front here. And they put like all hatching and stuff like that on it. And then we just keep going with this, sort of up and around. We'll go that way with it. And it is pretty flat like that, so. Then he has hair coming out the back of that. It kind of sits on his neck down there. And then he has a jacket line that just goes diagonal that way. Front of his neck here, and then a red collar that way, and then like some neck muscle lines just done with hatching. Adam's apple maybe. And then his sweater jumper kind of goes back that way, And it has a rim. Just like a collar edge to it there. And then we have some more hair spikes just sticking out this way. Nothing fancy, just like little spikes going the same direction as his fringe. And then he has a big jacket collar sticking out here, which goes back in and down. And then this has an edge, just like that. And then the collar on the other side, that way, back in and down again. And then this has an edge. So his shoulders then come out from here, and he's got one of those like military style jackets that have these buttons right on the shoulder, just there. And then it has like a clip or piece of fabric or something holding that down, and his shoulder goes off that way. Same thing just under the collar here. All right, it's one of those military style jackets. And then his shoulder's gone off that way, and then like shoulder line, some hatching here on his shoulder there. That's it. Oh wait, edge with the collar just here. Now that's it. Yabuki Joe. Thanks for the request and the donation through Super Chat. And anyone else, Super Chat's a good way getting a request done. So check it out. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Wait. Eyebrows. Dude has eyebrows. That was close. We nearly forgot his eyebrows. You nearly clicked off before the eyebrows. Black eyebrows there. Yeah. Man, that was close. Okay. Eyebrows Joe. See you in the next one. Bye.